Hello everyone and welcome on this new US dollar index analysis video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and kindly leave a comment and share the video. So again, my friends, regarding the US dollar index, in my opinion, this week is actually gonna continue the fall for two reasons. Number one, based on the weekly chart, as we can see, the dollar has just made actually a strong bearish breakout from this long-term support at the price of almost 100. And as you can see, over the last 3 weeks, the market actually has made an attempt to break out again from this level, but has been rejected, which indicates, of course, a continuation in the fall. Second reason is Mr. Trump. He actually right now has announced that he's planning to send now the letters to the countries to start applying the new tariffs, applying I think next August 1st. So all of that is adding more pressure on the US dollar, and of course that might actually cause the gold to rise and the dollar to sink. So therefore we are looking to sell the dollar for this week. But again, we have to remember that actually here we don't send any sell or buy signals for the US dollar index, because the traders use this to trade the USD pairs. So therefore I'm just going to send the analysis, and that's it, without any entries for a sell or a buy. So again, based on the weekly chart, we can see again a strong bearish momentum. Let me, however, right now move to the daily chart. Right now on daily chart, we can see clearly that the dollar is right now rising again. In my opinion, it's rising to retest the broken level of a real support, lies exactly right here at 97.948. But why right here exactly? First of all, this was the nearest level of a key support to that bearish breakout candle. Second of all, if we look right here at the pattern that we have here, of course, a resistance trend line, as you can see, that has been respected all the way, which means that dollar actually has right now a chances to continue the rise again, not only retest the broken level of the support at 97.948, but also respecting the previous level of a resistance trend line. All of that says that the dollar has actually chances to reverse right here exactly from that area. So again, we can expect from the dollar to rise again a little bit more, but more interesting is actually if we look at the left side, we can notice here clearly that we had the resistance right here exactly, to be precise, at 97.832. So this was a strong key level of a resistance that most likely the dollar is actually gonna be retesting right now. If we look at the recent time, we can see clearly that the dollar is rising all the way to retest the same level of that previous resistance. So however, if we are going to short the dollar from this point, what is going to be our take profit level, or actually how far we are expecting from the dollar to continue the fall to? In my opinion, we are actually looking to the dollar will continue the fall till it reach at least the support level, lies exactly at 95.305. Why? As you can see in the past, this was a very strong key level of a support and a previous level of a resistance as well. So meaning this zone is very strong. And as you can see here, the rejection happened. Once this rejection happened right here, the market kept rising all the way right here until it reached 114. Indicates, of course, a strength in the level. So meaning if the dollar will continue the fall to reach this area, it actually has the chances to make a strong pullback. However, fundamentally, I don't see this happening. Most likely, the dollar will actually be ranging at this level before finally makes a strong bearish breakout, unless if Mr. Trump announced something about the tariffs, that maybe he will put them on hold or cancel them, which is not expected. But again, that's our hope. However, that will be actually our analysis for the silver, I keep saying gold and silver, for the US dollar index. So again, let me just please write it for you. And that will be our prediction for the dollar. Notice, guys, I didn't send sell or buy. I just said here to short, meaning the market will continue the fall and close at 95, because I want to avoid sending any signal for the US dollar index, because we just simply don't want to trade it. And it's very, very sensitive. I mean, we really just want to use it to find our next entries and decide our trades on the USD pairs, and that's all. However, that's our expectation for the US dollar index. If you guys have any questions, please drop it in the comments, and hopefully we will be able to answer most of them if possible. Until then, my friends, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.